guys, what's up? So, it's Savvy here. Oh, there's a guy next to me. Okay, it's Savvy here, and I'm in Bling Bling Mall with...
I like how you're like, it's Savvy here when you already... I'm not even at the Bling Bling Mall.
It's Savvy here, and I'm at the Bling Bling Mall because Lemon wanted to leave.
Because I had to open the gate.
Oh, come back. Who was that person? Oh, you're behind a guy.
I'm behind the guy.
I'm gonna say I'm recording.
I'm recording too. Say it's a collab. I am too. We are collabing.
I said I'm recording with Lemon for a collab.
Yay.
You spelled collabing wrong, but okay. Send gifts. No. Say hi to YouTube.
Mail time.
To both of us. Oh, hey, this guy has a Gucci shirt. I'm gonna add him.
He made it. He was so Lily Trescott.
Oh, I'm gonna be like, you watch Lily Trescott.
Is it fun in here? No, it's not fun.
It's boring in here. She looks like she's crying with that.
How did that guy just change out so he's not a twin?
Oh, you can just click your person and then go to clothes.
I'm bored. Aren't we all?
Yeah, there's no cake in here. This party's lame. There's no cake. Add Sad Boy 8.
Shout out.
There's no beef.
Switch it up with higher.
There's no cake here.
Add me to have shout out.
There's no cake in here.
There's no cake in here. It's okay, Savvy. I'll make a cake. Let's start recording now.
I am recording.
3, 2, 1. I'll make a cake.
I'm gonna update my status.
Am I a noob?
No. This person is really...
I don't want to dance with her. I don't want to dance with you.
I'm collecting these star coins because I'm poor.
I hate how there is friend limit. Okay.
I know! Because, MSP limits your friends. It's so rude. Oh!
Please add me. I'm desperate. I mean, I only have 9 friends.
Wait, really?
Yes. I don't think a part of getting my account leveled and getting myself lots of star coins requires adding people, Savvy.
Oh, there's more star coins!
No one's adding. Someone's adding me because I'm desperate.
Really? Someone add me. I only have 230
You know
friends.
Koozie, that girl who's like, please dance with me?
Yeah.
I was like, add me because I'm desperate, and she actually did.
Why is her name Koozie? That's a weird name.
I'm going to ask her to send gifts from my phone.
I look like a hooker.
Hi.
This is a cute bathing suit. Why am I holding an evil Link
I'm
stuff?
going to stop pausing. Life is boring right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna pause. Okay, hello everybody. I'm back. So, Fluffles.
Oh, I got a black outfit now.
Oh, hey, can you send me that stuff you're supposed to send?
Not the hair, girl. Not my
No, you were supposed to send me something.
I'll send you something black.
Okay, cool.
Blacker the better.
I want this here and this. It's so cute.
Oh my god, I actually have a decent outfit.
Good.
With a pretty nice bow.
Oh, that is nice. Very. You look like a black present.
Do you actually like my outfit?
That actually looks cute. Mine looks ugly right now. Well, it's not that bad, but it's not the best.
Dun 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 dun. Okay, give me something.
Alright, so. Oh!
Get up, up, up.
I got something black. I'm gonna be so mad if it's those cherries again.
Oh my
Really? Oh my gosh. I give you good stuff and you give me noob clothes.
No, the first gift I gave you wasn't a new item.
Are you sure about that?
No, I'm talking about the...
Okay, guys, so I'm back again. And I'm just going to make an art book trying to make a bear or something. Oh, I got
Savvy was VIP, by the way.
I used to.
That's why I said was.
Yeah. I used to be. I wish I still... Oh, this person got VIP.
Hey, wait. You want that, like, bright yellow
Yay.
curly hair? Can I have it?
The one I'm wearing?
No, the really vibrant ones.
What really vibrant one?
Go to your inventory.
Okay. We're not playing Minecraft. It's not inventory. It's stuff. Go to your stuff, yo. You mean that rare?
Not that rare.
Oh, good.
Well, it's not rare. If you think it.
The G-Pack?
I looked it up. It's not rare.
Oh. That one you gave me?
Your winter cheeks, though.
They're bright purple. I got them from a giveaway from the nicest person ever.
Oh my god.
Besides you.
Allie.
Yeah. Not gonna be on MSP for a while, probably a month or a couple weeks. People are so rude. I hate glitches and lags. I might as well quit. I don't. Do I?
Yeah, you do. Look at you.
Oh, those. It's not inventory. Those, like, maroon, pink, ugly ones. They're not ugly. They're actually really pretty.
You need to change
They go with almost everything that I have. What bright yellow one?
like your bright yellow hair that I told you was rare, but it's not.
Oh, no, that is rare. I want it.
No, it's not.
Well, then I want it.
But it's not rare.
I don't care. It's cute. I wish you had your VIP account so I could give you this shirt that I'm about to put on. Why does MSP make the butts and the hips so big on the majority of their pants? Like, bro, why are you trying to make people have cake? Like, MSP, stop giving people cake.
I love you so much.
That's
I'm
cute.
gonna end this video here.
No!
Shut the fuck up. This is not family friendly. I'll end this video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you did not enjoy this video. If you didn't, make sure to subscribe for other videos you're gonna hate.
Yes!
So yeah, bye.
Oh, and make sure to go watch her Pixie Sticks, breaking all the rules. Take that, Pixie Sticks.
Yeah, what she said. Make sure to go see my video breaking all the rules. Pixie sticks.
Yeah, I'm gonna make one of those today.
You can use me as a victim.
Okay.
Like I did Llama.
Oh, really?
I was like, you're gonna do today's video. And she was like, how? And I was like, you're gonna be a victim. On vacation. Oh my god, that looks like some really cool MSP thing when I do it. I want food.
I want food as well.
On vacation.
Trading this hair for a drip top, really? That is not... It's not... I don't even think it's rare. I wouldn't trade, even if I had a drip top, I wouldn't trade it for that. I'd probably trade it for something good. Background trade. Good backgrounds.
Wait, what hair?
The one on here.
Wait, what Oh, trading that for grit.
I'm like, no way.
I just found that art book.
Ooh, somebody has Ice Queen.
I know. I was just looking at that. A VIP ad.
The ugly rare. No, it's called the ugly rare.
Oh.
You didn't see that? I don't see anything ugly. Is it that headband?
What's an ugly rare?
I don't know. The F shirt.
Wait, look. Oh my god.
What?
This girl is giving a whole rare outfit away just for VIP.
Really?
It's like a rare flower crown sorbet, a Miss Goldie dress, and the Deepak shoes.
Oh my gosh. What page is it on?
The second. That's the first thing.
Read, please. Oh! Sorbet hair?
No, right? I'm pretty sure that's Goldie dress, right?
That is such a nice sorbet hair. I need to get this girl a VIP code just so I can have that sorbet. For trading reasons only, though.
No, you don't need. You don't know. That ad Silver you spell 13.
Why?
She gives VIP for free.
Really?
And you have your email, so it won't matter.
Oh yeah, but she might take my, but she would take my stuff though.
Get on gift limit.
True. Oh, and then you can give me all my stuff back. I'll give you 25 gifts, and then you can give me my stuff. Oh, thank you so much, Nikosama. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'll put all these in the description. Oh, by the way, I'm still recording.
Oh, hi, YouTube. Fuck you, MSP.
I know, right? Thank you.
MSP is Pixie. Claus is a bitch. You should just delete him already. What the fuck? Why don't you delete him? He's dead.
Who?
Made in 2009.
Wait, what's the username again?
Claus.
How do you, is it CLAUS?
It's like Santa Claus.
Oh! Level 14, VIP, judge?
Oh, not that, dude. He's on a different server. I think he's on like these.
Oh! Oh yeah, because he's in Lily Trescott's video.
Yeah. Sorbet girls messaging me.
Really? Why do you keep calling her the sorbet girl? You're crazy. Ugh. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna end up the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And, yeah. Like and subscribe, comment what else you wanna see, some trolling videos or some stuff. If you wanna see me break the rules, take that Pixie Sticks to copy her video. I will also credit that to her. Yeah, inspiring. Okay. Savvy out. Bye.